Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. Remove both earbuds and the case immediately and power them off if possible. Once done, disconnect from any device and remove silicone tips so water can escape. Make sure to gently shake each earbud with the stem pointing down to expel trapped water, then pat dry with a lint-free cloth, avoiding compressed air. These first moves reduce corrosion risk, and they start the drying process, so do them before anything else. Now you need to dry and inspect. Place earbuds and case in a sealed container with silica gel packets or uncooked rice for 24 to 48 hours. This pulls moisture out slowly and safely. While waiting, do not attempt to charge. Charging wet electronics causes shorts. After drying, use a soft brush and a toothpick carefully to clear the speaker mesh. Check for residue or discoloration. If contacts look corroded, stop and proceed to the next step. Do not force power on yet. Finish by charging only once you're confident everything is dry. Connect the case briefly and monitor for unusual heat or odors. If anything seems off, disconnect immediately. Then test audio, microphone, and pairing. If audio is muffled, try cleaning the mesh again and perform a factory reset if Bluetooth errors persist. If problems remain, intermittent sound, no charging, or corrosion visible, stop and seek professional repair or Apple service. One key tip: do not use heat guns or ovens. Those cause permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.